In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery app and deciding if you want to delete your photos from Photos or one of your folders. Wherever you pick, when you're ready, hold one of your pictures you wanna get rid of, and then select all at the top left corner, or to pick all of them but only from chosen section, like yesterday, use the same icon next to it. To keep some of your photos, slide your finger across chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use the delete button. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!